Making homemade soap can be a fun and rewarding experience, as it allows you to create a product that is both personal and functional. Homemade soap is also a great way to control the ingredients that are used, making it a healthier and more eco-friendly alternative to store-bought soap. Here are the steps to make your own homemade soap. Gather materials. You will need a scale, a thermometer, a stick blender, a soap mold, safety gear, such as gloves, goggles, and a face mask, and ingredients, such as lye, water, oils, and fragrance or essential oils. Measure and mix the lye solution. The first step in making homemade soap is to measure and mix the lye solution. Lye is a caustic substance that is used to turn oils into soap. To make the lye solution, measure out the appropriate amount of lye and water, and mix them together until the lye is completely dissolved. Be sure to wear gloves, goggles, and a face mask when handling lye, as it can be harmful if it comes into contact with skin or eyes. Measure and mix the oils. While the lye solution is cooling, measure and mix the oils that you will be using in your soap. There are many different types of oils that can be used to make soap, such as olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil. Each oil contributes different properties to the final soap, so it's important to choose the right oils for your recipe. Combine the lye solution and oils. Once the lye solution and oils have cooled to the appropriate temperature, around 110 to 120 F, you can combine them. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oils while stirring with a stick blender. Keep blending the mixture until it reaches trace, which is when the mixture thickens and leaves a trace, when a small amount is dripped back into the pot. Add fragrance or essential oils. Once your soap mixture has reached trace, you can add fragrance or essential oils to give it a pleasant aroma. Be sure to use a fragrance or essential oil that is safe for use on the skin, and add it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Pour the mixture into the mold. Once you have added the fragrance or essential oils, you can pour the mixture into a soap mold. Make sure the mold is lined with parchment paper or plastic wrap to make it easy to remove the soap once it is hardened. Insulate and cure the soap. Insulate the soap by covering it with a towel or blanket and leaving it in a warm place for 24 to 48 hours. This helps the saponification process, which is the chemical reaction between the lye and oils that turns them into soap. Once the saponification process is complete, the soap needs to cure for several weeks. The curing process allows the soap to dry out and harden, making it milder and longer lasting. Cut and package the soap. Once the soap has cured, it can be cut into bars and packaged. Be sure to label the soap with the ingredients and the date it was made. Making homemade soap is a fun and rewarding experience. It allows you to create a product that is both personal and functional. Homemade soap is also a great way to control the ingredients that are used, making it a healthier and more eco-friendly alternative to store-bought soap. Keep in mind that soap making is a chemical process, so it's important to take safety precautions and to work in a well-ventilated area. With time and practice, you can create soap that is tailored